So today we're going to paint this field of cows in the summer. So we start with wet paper, a light green wash going from dark to light in the distance. I'm dropping in lines of light yellow for the flowers. For the background, a very light wash of blue. The background hills are more or less the same colour as the sky, and it's painted onto very wet paper, so the edges will blur. For the foreground, it's a very yellow mixture of greenish yellow. Again, dropped onto wet paper, so the edges will blur. And I'm just dropping dark blue for the shadows. I'm dropping it down at the base of the trees. As the paint dries, it will blend together. And then more detail for the tree and a few other little bits and pieces. Scraping off the masking for some detail of the yellow foliage, using spattering technique. Now here I'm just adding the shadows for the cows. You'll notice the colour here is not black, it's a green. It needs to somewhat match the colour of the field. Just quite loose, vague strokes. Rubbing off the masking for the cows. And then again, just hints of detail. Your eye fills in the detail itself. As long as the shadows are roughly in the right places. Some of the shapes look quite random, to be honest, but your eye interprets them as animals. Generally drop in the darkest colour at the bottom, and then just with a clean brush add water, and the paint just runs and spreads out over the top. That's it. Quite simple but effective. If you enjoyed the tutorial or learned something new, feel free to add a comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.